Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have your files ready, so start by placing a button in page 1. HTML where users will click. Make sure page 2. HTML exists and has content to land on. Once done, choose the simplest method first, an anchor link or a form. Use JavaScript only if you need more control. I'll show each option. For now, add an ID to the button like ID equals go so you can reference it reliably. This small setup prevents mistakes later and keeps your code organized. Next, implement navigation. If you want a simple link, wrap an href equals page 2. HTML around a button element so the browser handles it naturally. This is accessible and fast. If you prefer a post or need to submit data, use a form action equals page 2. HTML with a submit button. For dynamic behavior, add a click listener in JavaScript that sets location. href equals page 2. HTML or uses window. Open for a new tab. Make sure to prevent default only. Finish by testing the button. Click it, confirm you land on page 2. HTML and try mobile and desktop. If it fails, open DevTools and check the console for script errors. Most failures are wrong paths like /page 2. HTML versus /page 2. HTML. Make sure your button isn't disabled and any form has the correct method. One key troubleshooting tip: if JavaScript navigation doesn't work, temporarily set an href to confirm the path works without scripts, then reintroduce.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.